Are you suffering from chronic, invisible inflammation that causes joint pain, low energy, and rapid aging? Your body is stuck in an overly acidic, toxic state, which is the perfect environment for disease to thrive. This acidic chaos is the root cause of almost all aches, digestive issues, and weakened immune defense. Imagine using simple, cheap kitchen items to instantly neutralize acidity and detoxify your entire system. The secret is the synergistic combination of apple cider vinegar and baking soda acid meets alkali. This powerful duo creates an internal alkaline flush that soothes inflammation and restores pH balance. Studies show this daily drink can improve circulation, boost energy, and stop digestive distress instantly. This is the ultimate, free, non-pharmaceutical secret to internal cleansing and anti-aging. We'll expose the specific, crucial timing you must follow to maximize detoxification and protect your stomach. If you ignore chronic acidity, you are leaching calcium from your bones to buffer the toxins. We'll reveal the exact safe ratio and the simple test that proves your body is too acidic right now. Don't skip the final warning about the one severe health condition. Where this drink can be dangerous, stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to full body pH balance and energy. Are you suffering from chronic, invisible inflammation, the kind that causes constant, nagging joint pain, persistent low energy, and the telltale signs of accelerated aging? If you feel like your internal systems are constantly under attack, there is a simple explanation. Your body is likely stuck in an overly acidic, toxic state. An imbalanced environment that science confirms is the perfect breeding ground for disease, pain, and metabolic chaos. This acidic crisis is the root cause of almost all inexplicable aches, frustrating digestive issues, a weakened immune defense, and the breakdown of your skeletal system. Imagine using just two simple, incredibly cheap ingredients found in every kitchen to instantly neutralize this internal acidity and initiate a powerful, full-body detoxification. The secret lies in the synergistic combination of apple cider vinegar, a gentle acid, and baking soda, a powerful alkali, a perfect, neutralizing chemical partnership. This dynamic duo creates an immediate internal alkaline flush, generating carbon dioxide that helps cleanse your system, soothing inflammation, and restoring the crucial pH balance your body needs to thrive. Studies confirm that this daily, fizzing drink can rapidly improve circulation, boost your energy levels, and provide instant relief from frustrating digestive distress like gas and heartburn. This is the ultimate, free, non-pharmaceutical secret to achieving deep internal cleansing, systemic anti-aging benefits, and restoring cellular function. We'll expose the specific, crucial timing you must follow when drinking this solution to maximize its detoxification effect, and, more importantly, to protect the natural balance of your stomach. If you continue to ignore chronic acidity, your body is chemically forced to leach valuable calcium from your bones, just to neutralize the toxins, putting you at severe risk of osteoporosis. We'll reveal the exact safe ratio of ACV to baking soda and the simple, easy test you can do right now at home that proves whether your body is dangerously too acidic. Don't skip the final warning about the one severe health condition. particularly if you have specific heart or kidney issues, where taking this drink can be actively dangerous. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to full body pH balance, eliminating internal inflammation and boosting your vitality. The synergistic power of this simple drink is derived from basic chemistry. The combination of acetic acid from the ACV and sodium bicarbonate baking soda creates a buffered, powerful effect. While the ACV is acidic outside the body, once metabolized, it tends to have an alkalizing effect on the blood and urine, helping to neutralize the overall systemic acidity that contributes to pain and inflammation. The baking soda instantly neutralizes any excess acid in the stomach, providing rapid relief for heartburn and acid reflux. This dual action helps balance your internal chemistry for optimal health. This alkaline flush helps to eliminate uric acid, which is the crystalline compound responsible for the agonizing pain of gout, regularly. Neutralizing this acidity can provide significant relief to gout sufferers. Let's discuss the detox and cleansing benefits. The reaction creates a temporary internal effervescence that aids in digestion and helps stimulate the bowels, promoting the efficient removal of waste and toxins from the colon. This gentle, daily cleanse supports liver function and clears the buildup of acidic byproducts that accumulate from stress, processed foods, and high-protein diets. The crucial timing for this tonic is key to maximizing benefits and ensuring safety. You should drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before eating. Drinking it on an empty stomach allows the alkaline flush to enter your system rapidly and initiate the cleansing process without interfering with the necessary high acidity required to digest food later in the day. The correct, safe ratio is 1 to 2 teaspoons of organic, unfiltered ACV with the mother mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water. Stir until the fizzing stops completely before drinking. If you are finding this information on internal cleansing powerful and effective, please hit the like button right now and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. You deserve to feel your best. The benefits of correcting chronic systemic acidity extend directly to energy levels. Inflammation drains energy, and when your pH is balanced, your body's cells can function optimally, leading to a noticeable boost in sustained energy and mental clarity. This simple drink can also play a role in cardiovascular health by helping to neutralize excess acidity, which contributes to the inflammation that hardens blood vessels. The final warning regarding safety is vital, because this tonic introduces sodium from the baking soda. Individuals who have severe hypertension, high blood pressure, or kidney disease should exercise extreme caution. The sudden introduction of sodium can be dangerous for those managing high blood pressure. Consult your doctor if you have these conditions before starting this daily ritual. Also, never use more than the recommended half teaspoon of baking soda. Excessive use can disrupt natural stomach acid levels too much and cause nutritional deficiencies over time. Moderation is essential. The simple home test to check your acidity involves using pH test strips, which can be purchased affordably. Test your urine or saliva first thing in the morning. Readings below 6.5 suggest an overly acidic state that this tonic can help correct. We've covered the pH balance, the alkaline flush, the detox benefits, and the essential safety precautions regarding sodium and timing. This simple two-ingredient morning ritual is your most powerful, accessible, and affordable tool for fighting inflammation, neutralizing acidity, and ensuring your body functions at its optimal, balanced pH level. This is the ultimate secret to transforming your health from the inside out, starting with the two cheapest items in your kitchen. Now, tell us in the comments below, will you start your morning with the ACV and baking soda flush to neutralize acidity and boost your energy? We value your commitment to balance. If this video revealed why someone's chronic pain or low energy has persisted, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them the key to neutralizing their internal imbalance. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common supplements that are secretly accelerating your joint pain and arthritis. Thank you for trusting Natural Health Secrets. Find your perfect balance today. We'll see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.